sounds like a connoisseur.
I am. You do not want to look at the back seat of my car. I'm ashamed. I should really clean that out.
So what's your go-to?
My go-tos?
Yeah.
All of them. If it's on the way and I see it and it looks good, I'm going to pull in and grab myself some fast food. It's a good thing most of them are not open at this hour in the morning.
Right? Are you a fast food guy?
No.
No.
I used to be when I was younger, but I just can't do it anymore.
Yeah. I'm a big Taco Bell girl.
You're smart.
So.
One of these days, I got to figure it out. All right, let's figure out weather right now. If we take a look at what's happening in the tropics, things are quiet for us, which is good. We are still in hurricane season. Typically, October is one of the busier months where things begin to taper off, and it's quiet out there right now. In the East Pacific, though, there's still some potential for development there. I'll talk about that a little bit later on, but things are quiet for us right now. So let's zoom in for a close-up and see what's happening closer to home from the Atlantic. You can see high pressure to our north. We do have a weak front that's basically coming across the northeastern corner of the state. That's bringing a bit of shower activity between Jacksonville and Daytona Beach for folks there. Eventually, this is going to sink slowly south. It is fairly weak and it will modify our temperature as we get into the weekend. More on that in just a bit. Here's a look at the close-up for the satellite radar for southwestern Florida. And it is quiet out there, so I know Lauren's going to have your traffic update for you in just a bit, but I expect that weather will not play a significant factor in your commute this morning. Morning temperature 74 degrees in Port Charlotte, 75 in Cape Coral, and 75 in Naples. Dew points are still close behind that, so the humidity is up, and the winds are light out of there, out of the northeast. They're not going to mix out that humidity, so it's going to remain so. Fairly humid day because of those easterly winds bringing in moisture all the way from the Atlantic. So here's a look at our computer model. Clear skies out there this morning, going to remain mostly clear through this afternoon, so it's a mainly sunny day for us in store. And then for this evening as well, maybe just a few clouds towards the Naples areas, but should be a relatively clear evening for us into Saturday. Looking at a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. Temperatures, in fact, though, actually fairly warm for us. It was a record breaker yesterday in the Fort Myers area. Likely to hit about 89 degrees today. It's also going to be fairly humid as well with the air coming in from the east for us. All right, if we take a look at our winds, they're going to remain out of the east, fairly light at about 5 to 10 miles today. They'll become lighter, though, as the forecast progresses. Here's a look at your beach forecast, and it is looking fairly nice out there as well. For Saturday, it's a mainly sunny day. We're not looking at any showers or thunderstorms developing. A high of 89 degrees out there. The surf at 2 feet or less. The chance of a rip current low at this point. Water temperature, though, at comfortable 84 degrees. The UV will be 8, which is very high. So it's a perfect beach day, and I plan on taking advantage of that myself. Here's a look at your extended forecast for Sunday. We have another great day in store, but you'll notice here, look at this, 87 for the high. So that weak front slowly dropping the temperature. Mainly sunny skies, a very slight chance we could see an isolated shower. I'm not really looking at anything significant for us here. And then into Monday and Tuesday, 85 to 86 degrees, partly cloudy skies out there. And then for Wednesday, we are looking at mostly cloudy skies, 87 degrees. For Thursday, partly cloudy skies and 86. But look at this, overnight lows finally getting below 70 degrees.